So the original concept for Looks Good on Me really came into action when I was at university, and we went on this German trip. And some of the girls there were getting really frustrated because my fashion advice was not quite up to the same standard as their friends, and they couldn't actually get the feedback from their friends because their friends were in a different country, and they were getting really frustrated. And it came to me that there should be a solution for this sort of problem. So when I got back to England, I had a conversation with Tatiana about how we could come up with a solution to this.
Yeah. So in a nutshell, it's just about getting fast fashion feedback from the people you trust.
So obviously with MBJ, we were really impressed with the proposal that they put together. I've already said they understood the angle we were going for. They seemed to get it better than other agencies we spoke to. And in terms of the overall offering and the enthusiasm they showed, that gave us the confidence that they could deliver what they set out to do.
I mean, we've spoken to lots of different agencies and developers, and basically we had two options. We could, try and find our own developer or go with an agency. And the reason why we decided not to go with just one person and integrate them into the team is because we don't know much about the direction. So if you hire someone, you have to tell them exactly what to do, right? Whereas we were not sure about certain aspects, and that's where MBJ really helped us, because they gave us really good advice about how to go about backend, the servers, maybe some of the functions in the app we didn't even think about. They gave us really good suggestions.
The thing that stood out for me from working with MBJ and the work they produced was actually the initial proposal and the way they went about developing it, always in communication with us. So the communication has always been very good from MBJ. They've always been very open about the problems that they've faced when developing it. If there's been anything that's arisen, they've always discussed it with us immediately. And that's something that we've really appreciated, because it's kept us in the loop the whole entire time. And it's been like almost having like a private development team. We approached MBJ with new ideas, and they were always willing to listen to those and then give us feedback on them. So obviously they're experts in the industry, so they obviously put in a lot of valuable input themselves as well. They kind of have a vested interest in helping their partners succeed, which is fantastic for us. And so we always like to run new ideas past them to get feedback on them before we go ahead with it, because they often have really positive things to add, which often help the design and help the way it's laid out and everything. So
absolutely,
so our vision for Looks Good on Me in the future, in 3 years' time, we're looking to have built a website that is leading e-commerce integration with an app. We've currently got in the plans an Apple Watch app, the iPhone app refresh, the Android app refresh, and the new e-commerce website, which is all integrated to create a truly intuitive, engaging experience for a user shopping. There is nothing out there that's doing what we're doing right now. Yeah. And MBJ are truly behind it. So yeah, we're really excited about getting this all out there. It's going to be a long process getting it all developed perfectly, but we anticipate next year we're really going to hit the ground running, and it's going to be a fantastic, exciting time.